kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase I. Now start at the top, draw a vertical line, then draw a horizontal line at the first line, and do the same in the bottom line. Now let's write lowercase I. We will start in the middle, then draw a vertical line and write a small dot at the top of it. Well done! You are getting better with each try. Keep on practicing. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like,